To request money on Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main screen where you can see your balance and other options. Tap on the Request Money option, which is usually represented by a $sign or a request button. On the next screen, you will be asked to enter the amount of money you want to request and the recipient's information. Enter the amount you need and the recipient's phone number, email address, or their unique Cash App tag, also known as a cash tag. After entering the recipient's information, add a note to explain why you are requesting the money. This is optional but recommended to avoid any confusion. You can type a brief message, such as rent payment or utility bill, to provide context. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, review your request to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, the recipient's information, and the note you added. If everything looks good, tap the Request button to send the request. The recipient will then receive a notification with your request, and they can choose to accept or decline it. If they accept, the funds will be transferred to your Cash App account immediately. You can then use the money to make purchases, pay bills, or transfer it to your bank account. It is essential to note that when requesting money on Cash App, you should only request funds from people you trust. Additionally, be cautious when sending requests to avoid any potential scams or misunderstandings. Always verify the recipient's information and ensure you are requesting money from the right person. In conclusion, requesting money on Cash App is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can safely and efficiently request funds from friends, family, or colleagues using the Cash App platform.